Pre-operative instructions. Please bring a list of your current medications. Clothing. Wear a short-sleeved blouse or shirt on the day of surgery. Food intake. Most surgical procedures of the face or mouth are accomplished more comfortably while sedated. In order to be sedated, you should have nothing to eat or drink for a minimum of 8 hours before your appointment. Water is okay up until 3 hours before your appointment. If you take medications, please call our office prior to your surgery. We will review your medications with you, as some may need to be held prior to surgery. Since the effects from IV sedation persist for some time after surgery, you will not be able to safely operate an automobile. Please bring someone with you to drive you home following your anesthetic and surgical procedure. Please call our office at 406-752-4375 with any questions.